To bookmark in a Reader app, start by opening the application and navigating to the home page. From there, select a PDF file to open. If the file appears unclear, zoom in to 75% for better visibility. To create a bookmark, select the desired text, right-click on it, and choose the bookmark option. This will open a bookmark section on the left side, where the selected text will be displayed. The bookmark section can be closed using the arrow icon. Alternatively, navigate to the top menu. Click on Edit and select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Categories section, open Documents and check the box next to Restore Last View Settings when opening documents. Then, scroll down and click OK. This process allows you to bookmark pages in the Reader app, providing a helpful tool for navigation and reference.